Welcome to HAD6 channel. In this video, we will look into tirade. 10 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Diatribe. Which means a forceful and bitter verbal attack against someone or something. Diatribe. For example, a diatribe against consumerism. Number 2. Admonition. Which means a firm warning or reprimand. Admonition. For example, the frequent admonitions of his anxious parents. Number 3. Rant. Which means a spell of ranting. Rant. For example, his rants against organized religion. Number 4. Fulmination. Which means an expression of vehement protest. Fulmination. For example, the fulminations of media moralists. Number 5. Attack. Which means an instance of fierce public criticism or opposition. Attack. For example, she wrote a ferociously hostile attack on him. Number 6. Harangue. Which means a lengthy and aggressive speech. Harangue. For example, father began a harangue about my monstrous behavior. Number 7. Philippic. Which means a bitter attack or denunciation, especially a verbal one. Philippic. For example, the lecture was a tremendous philippic against our culture. Number 8. Lecture. Which means a long serious speech, especially one given as a scolding or reprimand. Lecture. For example, the usual lecture on table manners. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. Furthermore, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.